Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to minify or compress a part of your CSS instead of compressing the entire file. There is an extension right here in VS Code for doing this purpose, which is Minify selection. So let's suppose if you have a CSS file right here which you are using it inside your application in my index.html. Let me show you. This is actually the overall application, a simple password generator. So we are actually using custom CSS for this style.css. So if you want to minify this file, we have a extension here which is Minify selection. So if you just type this in the search bar of your extension, this extension comes here 17,000 installs. Just select here, very simple extension, no advanced settings are here, simple. You need to simply click on the install button to install this extension. Now to get started inside your style.css, so this is our CSS here, and the thing about this extension is that you can select part of your CSS. So if you only want to compress this part, you need to simply select this part with the help of mouse. Simply select this and then type on your keyboard the shortcut key, which is Ctrl Shift P, and then simply search Minify. Type here Minify selection, Minify selected CSS. So if you just select this, now the CSS that you have selected has been minified and compressed. You will just see all the white space has been gone right here. So if you want to push this code into production, it's a very simple process. Or if you want to do it the entire file, simply select the code and the entire file and just Control Shift P, Minify selection, Minify select. You can now see all the CSS have been successfully compressed and minified. And still, if you open this application, still this application will work the same. You can just see. So this is a very handy extension to have in VS Code if you are working with CSS files. If you want to do minify part of your CSS, if you only want to minify this part, then you can just see. So it basically saves a lot of time because you don't need any third-party CSS minify. You can do it entirely inside VS Code with the help of this extension. So you can just see, you can create multiple files here. If you have a second file, style.2css, if you have some basic code right here, so we have the second file here. You can select this also. It works with all the files. So you can just see the power of this extension. The extension is very simple, Minify selection. It only works with the CSS file only. That's a little bit downside of this extension, but still it's a very handy extension if you are working with the CSS files. If you want to minify them right inside your VS Code, if you don't want to leave your editor, you can directly use this. Simply select the code that you want to minify, Control Shift P, then minify this code like this. So this was a short little video, guys. I wanted to just show you this extension or plugin in VS Code to actually minify and compress your CSS while you are developing your application. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please hit that like button, subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and I will be seeing you in the next one.